Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So let's begin. Alright, to design YouTube thumbnail in Canva, first of all what we need to do, we will need to log in into our Canva account, and after that you will be able to see the dashboard of the Canva. And here what you have to search, you just have to search YouTube thumbnail, alright, and you have to search for it. Now we actually have to search inside the Canva templates, alright, and as you can see here that we have some great looking templates over here. So we can use any one of these templates based on the category that we're working on. Okay, so if you're working on the finance or something, you can use this template. If you're working on the travel videos, you can use this template. And if you're working on the technology, you can use this template. But one thing that you need to make sure is that some of these templates are actually the power of provision. How would you know that? Is actually based on this crown icon over these templates. So if you see this crown icon over these templates, which simply means that this template is a part of provision. So I think I actually like the first one. This is looking very simple and great. So we can use this one. And here you can also see the other suggestions here based on the template that you have selected. So if you want to go with any of these, you can simply go with that. But I think I really like this one. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So here you can see this. What do we have here? We actually have the graphic elements, this one, and this one. Along with this, we have the text. So we can change the text, and then we have these images. So now what we're going to do, we're going to customize this based on our requirement. So I want to build the thumbnail based on the YouTube video that is talking about the AI, okay, or something like that. So we're going to modify this template into the template that we want to build that is based on the video that is related to the AI. So I'm going to actually duplicate this. Perfect. So first of all, I think I will need to change the images here. Or first, I'm going to change the text here. I'm going to write down automated inventory system. Okay. So I actually have to resize this. All right. So I think this is looking fine. And now we're going to add some text here. So this is going to be, let's say, using. So now I'm going to add AI agent. Perfect. I'm going to add it here. And now I'm going to add parentheses as well. All right. So I think I need to decrease the size of it. Maybe we can go here with 60px. We will do the same thing here, but no, we're going to increase the size of this. And we can also change the font style of it. So for changing the font style, I can actually click on it and I would actually add something that is related to the coding or something like that. So I'm going to write down code and maybe I can go here with this one or this one. All right, I think this one is looking good. I'm going to go here with that one. Perfect. Now I'm going to actually close this. Now what we actually have to do here, we're going to go into the elements and I'm going to write down AI bots in the graphics. I can also search for the photos as well, but I think I would go here with the graphics. So I'm going to actually use the one that is free to use. So we have to search for it here. All right, so I think I like this one. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to delete these pictures because I don't need that. And now I'm going to increase the size of this. All right, so I think this is looking good. So let's just increase the size of this. Let's just decrease a bit. All right, so we can put something like this here. And what you can do in the text, we can actually add the effect here, a neon effect. That would look cool. And we can do the same thing with our AI agent. That is also looking good. We can decrease the intensity. So I'm going to actually decrease the intensity of the first one. So this is going to be only the 10%. All right. So now what you're going to do, we're going to actually add some graphics. So let's say I'm going to add AI agent icon. So we can add this one. Let's just decrease the size of this. It will be added here. So we're going to actually rotate it a bit, decrease the size of it, and we'll simply add the similar things. So I think I'm going to use this one as well. Decrease the size of it, put it here, and this is what we can do. And now what we can do, we can also edit these icons. So I just clicked on the edit. I actually want to make it look blur. So I'm going to actually change the value of blur here. So this is going to be blurred, something like this. Let's just increase the size of it. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Let's click on edit again. Let's click on blur again. And now we are going to increase the size of blur here. I think this is looking good. We'll increase the size of it as well. And we will add one more element. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to add, let's say, chat. Go into the graphics and we will add this one. Let's just put it here. Let's just rotate it a bit. And here what we can do, let's just click on edit again. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So let's increase the size of blur here. This is looking good. Now what we have to do, we actually have to go inside the position. And here I have to put all of these elements behind this robot. So I'm going to put it before that. I'm going to put it before that and do the same thing here. All right. So this is looking good. And now I will click on the position again. I will select this one and I will increase the size of it. Yes, we're going to put it something here. Now this is looking fine. Now we might need to edit our robot here. So we're going to click on edit again and we'll just add some filters or maybe the colors. So let's just explore these options. We can go here with this one. Yes, this one is looking good. We can go here with the bronze, or we can try, let's just reset these values. We can click on due tone, maybe this one. I think this one is looking good. Yeah, we can use this one, but we can decrease the intensity of it. Perfect. Now we're gonna go back and we can add some shadows to it. So I'm gonna add some glow to it, or we can use the drop. So let's add the glow here and let's increase the size of it a bit. Perfect. And I think we need to change the color here. Maybe we can use a kind of yellowish color. All right, so I think now this is looking perfect. So we can actually increase the width a bit. Perfect. Let's just put it here. We have this background. We have this text here. Maybe we can play around with this text. All right, so I think I would go here with this one. On the AI agent, we can delete this. Let's just decrease the size of it. We'll put it here. We can change the position of this, something here. Let's just decrease it a bit. Now we can change the color of it. So what you can do, we can go here with the yellow color, and in the effects, we can go here with same yellow color. I think we can go here with the green color. All right, so I think this one is looking good. So we can use this one. We can actually copy the text here. Let me just add the text here. Automated. Let's just decrease the size of it. All right, so now let's just add automated inventory system, and this is going to be AI agent. This is looking good. So we can use this one, increase the size of it. We can change the alignment of it. All right, so this one is looking fine. All right, so this is looking fine. Let's just decrease the size of it a bit. All right, so now I think this is looking perfect. So we're gonna go back into the picture again. Let's just change the color of it. So we're gonna go into the due tone. We can use this color here, or maybe this one. Yes, we can use this one, and we can go back and we can go into the shadows. Let's just change the color here to the blue color. All right, so this is looking good. So now we're gonna go back into the text here. Let's just change the color here. We can use this color, and now what you can do, we can go inside the effects. So we can actually change the color here, but I think I won't want this background, so I'm gonna remove this. I would like to have this on the AI agent, but not on the first one. So this one is looking fine. Now we're gonna change the color of it to this one. Perfect. I'm gonna change the color of it to the white color. Now this one is looking decent. Okay, so now we have to do one last thing. Go into the position, click on this one. Let's just put it here. Perfect. Now our thumbnail is complete, and we can also play around with the background color here as well. So we can go here with the white color. You can use these different colors here. So you can go here with any lighter color for sure. So you can go here with this one. So it's on to you however you want to use it. Okay, but I'm gonna go here with the default one that we already have, and this is looking good. So this is all for this video. So if you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.